From the onset of the Big Bang to the present day, the universe has continually evolved over time. From the first stars to the formation of black holes, these changes have shaped our universe as we know it today. However, this isn't the end of the story, because it seems our universe is coming to an end in a very literal sense, as all life in the universe could be wiped out in a very short space of time. This comes as a result of a recent discovery that is causing scientists worldwide to worry about mankind and existence. It has been discovered that a pair of supermassive black holes are on a collision course, and when they collide, it could cause the universe to end. Scientists are of the view that when two supermassive black holes collide, they can cause a rip in space-time, which will then send out waves of radiation. These waves will be powerful enough to destroy all life in the universe. In this case, it is estimated that these waves could reach our planet within 2 years. Should you be worried? Will black holes end the universe? What will happen when these two supermassive black holes collide? Join us as we explore facts about the black hole collision that could end all life in the universe. It's been discovered that supermassive black holes with a combined mass of about 200 million suns are headed towards each other at a speed of about 25 million miles, 40 million kilometers per hour. Scientists predict that at this speed, the two black holes will collide within 2 years from now. It is the latest discovery concerning black hole collisions that has scientists worried about the future of life in the universe. Black holes are massive cosmic objects in the universe that contain a huge amount of gravitational force. The gravitational force of these black holes is so big that it can hold everything from stars to planets in their grip. That said, if a body were to fall into a black hole, the gravitational pull in that area is so powerful that it would rip apart the object before it reaches the edges of the black hole. While you'd imagine that these black holes would just hold on to objects till they eventually die, in reality, they end up devouring everything in their path. So if one were to fall into a black hole, he would simply disappear, never to be seen again. According to a study carried out by scientists from Harvard University and the Massachusetts Institute of Technology, Earth is in the line of fire. It has been discovered that a collision is imminent between two black holes, and if they collide, they could cause a rip in space-time and send out waves of radiation that would destroy our planet completely. The collision between these black holes would eventually lead to the catastrophic annihilation of all the stars in the universe. This is because the two black holes, when they collide, will be so massive and powerful that it will rip apart all space-time around them, leaving behind a massive rip that will cause a huge amount of heat and radiation. This heat and radiation would then destroy all life on Earth, as well as other planets in our solar system. Interestingly, black holes are formed when really big stars run out of fuel and explode in what is known as a supernova. A star reaches its end when it has consumed all its hydrogen and helium in the core. When there's no longer any fuel left, the star starts to die and it will start to collapse. At this point, the gravitational force becomes so powerful that the atoms that make up the star are crushed together, and this causes the star to become a supernova. This means that all of the mass from the star is sucked in and compressed into a very small area. As you can imagine, this makes it an extremely dense body. Observations from the Laser Interferometer Gravitational Wave Observatory, LIGO, that was launched in September 2015 have given scientists enough evidence that there is a high possibility of two massive black holes colliding in space. This discovery was made when the LIGO saw two gravitational waves hit Earth about 1.3 billion light-years away. These waves were identified as being signs of two black holes colliding in deep space. Scientists say when these two supermassive black holes collide, massive waves of plasma will be released and sent out into space. This radiation consists of gamma rays, X-rays, cosmic rays, neutrinos, and high-energy particles such as electrons and positrons. These particles will have a devastating effect on the Earth, and may also destroy all life on other planets in our solar system. In this study, it is believed that when the two black holes collide, some of the radiation will be emitted as a result of charged particles whizzing around in space. This would then become part of particle flows that are sent out from the collision site. This flow is known as a cosmic ray burst and can also pose a great threat to Earth, as it is composed of incredibly high energy radiation. A cosmic ray burst would ultimately kill all life on Earth. The particles that are emitted by these cosmic rays are so powerful that they will tear through the ozone layer in the atmosphere and cause cancer in humans. In fact, just being exposed to these rays would be enough to kill a human. Scientists say that when these two black holes collide, their gravitational pull would lead to a massive release of energy. This radiation could then form a kind of donut around their collision point. The donut is formed by the emission of X-rays and gamma rays, which are particles that have high speeds and high intensity. These high-energy particles can then cause massive damage to our planet's atmosphere by damaging satellites and causing damage to electrical systems on Earth. The particles would also kill off all life on Earth as they would travel towards the Earth's surface and destroy all life there. While scientists say that the collision between these two black holes is inevitable, they do state that it will take a while before these two objects meet and collide. However, they also say that the black hole merger will be the final nail in the coffin for the Earth. In recent times, there has been an increase in cosmic rays in our solar system, and scientists are still not sure why this is happening. Astronomers have also been closely monitoring these cosmic rays, as they may be an indication that a black hole collision may be taking place somewhere in deep space. At the moment, there is no way of combating these waves. However, scientists have said that there is a strong need for preparing ourselves and our home planet for this catastrophic event. As we have seen with nuclear disasters, radiation can have devastating effects on life, and this could be just as harmful as any other kind of radioactive disaster. A study was done back in 2013 at the University of Rochester in New York, where a group of researchers created a mathematical simulation of a black hole collision. According to this simulation, the impact of this collision would create a huge gamma ray burst that would be incredibly powerful. This means that everyone on Earth would feel the effects of this explosion, and it could put our planet into darkness at night, or cause some fields to grow in different ways by stimulating them with this tremendous energy. Black holes are extremely powerful events that bring destruction and chaos with them. These incredible phenomena are capable of sucking in all matter, space, time, and even light. They are unpredictable, and their power is almost incomprehensible to us. They are capable of petrifying life on Earth and decimating all in their path. They are so immense that it is very difficult to imagine what they are. We may never understand these unbelievably powerful objects of our galaxy and the universe. Tell us in the comments below what you think about this terrifying black hole collision.